Is this where Miss Song lives?
I'm gi-hun.
I'm an acquaintance of your father's. I have a gift I was instructed to bring you, miss.
Is that box from my dad? Did he send you here so we could see how I've been doing? Know what you could tell him? That I stopped waiting to hear from him a long time ago. I'll pretend my dad doesn't exist and he can forget about me too.
These were your father's belongings. Mr. Song Gi-hun has passed away.